Hey guys, thank you so much for clicking on today's video. If you're new here and this is your first time seeing my face, welcome. I'm Samantha, and if you like what you see thus far, I would be honored if you hit the subscribe button, ring the bell so you know when I upload, and if you're feeling generous, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. If you want to wait till the end of the video, that's okay too, as long as you get there. And if this is not your first time seeing my face, welcome back, baby. The last few weeks, there's just been so much going on with the election. My husband's grandparents had Sharona. It's just been a lot. And emotions, one of my friends from high school passed away the day before the election. The last few weeks have just been very, emotional roller coaster. My nerves are shot, okay? I just haven't felt like filming. And to be perfectly honest, I wasn't really feeling it, at least at first. After I started, then, started feeling better about it. But with that being said, today is just gonna be a soothing, no talking, just basically you guys are gonna watch me, put this look together. This was my first time using the Power eyeshadow palette from Colored Raine. I've had this for a few months. I think I got this back in July. And I got this the same time I got Distro, that really pretty glitter lip topper that I used for a couple videos back. Everything that I use in today's video will be in the description box, as well as I'll have, my little stop motion product shots. I'll have it down here or whatever. Y'all know how I do. Episode 2 of my Makeup for Beginners series is coming. It's on complexion. And if you want to watch me create this look here, keep watching. And that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching me do my thing today. Let me know in the comments how you guys like these videos, because I used to do them like way back when I first started YouTube. Back in like, I think I first started posting videos in like 2011. But I kind of felt like the demands of, you know, what people like to see, like I felt like we kind of got away from those. But if you guys like these videos, I'll, you know, throw them in there, you know, on a somewhat regular basis. And it's kind of cool because if I know that you guys do like these videos, then I might be able to post a little more often. Yes. So anyway, thank you so much for watching. If you made it this far, first of all, thank you. Second of all, if you haven't already, go ahead and hit the subscribe button, ring the bell so you know when I upload. And if you enjoyed yourself, I mean, if you made it this far, obviously you liked what you were watching, right? So, okay, go and give me that thumbs up now if you ain't do it at the beginning of the video. Baby, this is the time to do it. Just a little click, you know what I'm saying? Don't take no neurons to do it. Anyway, let me know if you guys like these kinds of videos where, you know, you guys just watch me do my makeup and, you know, jam out to some music. You know, I feel like they're calming, but what one person might call calming, someone else might call boring, so I don't know. Let me know if you guys like these types of videos. And that is it for today's look. I hope you enjoyed watching me put it together. I really like this eyeshadow palette, this colored Raine palette. I mean, their shadows are bomb anyway, but yeah, I mean, I love these colors. I'm a sucker for purple. Like, purple is my favorite color. So this purple themed palette is like right up my alley. And then you guys already know I love Distro from a couple videos back. The Sam Fine video. Yeah, the drugstore soft glam video. And it went very nicely on top of Suspect. Yeah, so I mean, it's like super extra and glam, but I like it and it's pretty. I don't normally wear glitter, so I think that's why I just like be doing the absolute most when I come on here. So yeah, get to really have fun. Anyway, I think I've talked enough. I guess I'm making up for not talking while I was doing my makeup, so whatever. Anyway, thank you so much for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next video.